What if perfection actually existed somewhere out there in the stars? Scientists are getting closer, closer than ever before. And no, they didn't have to fly into the sun to find it. Somewhere out there, a planet may be holding enough water to fill Earth's oceans twice over. But the more we learn, the more things feel off, like something's not adding up. Is it the air, the mass, the atmosphere? Its place in the cosmos feels stuck, unnatural. There are no nearby stars, no familiar constellations either. Everything about it feels more like a story than a science fact. So we recalibrated the data, but the numbers still refuse to play along. This is no ordinary discovery. Kepler-22b, a planet that shouldn't exist, yet somehow it does. And today, we're not here to speculate. We're here to investigate, to solve a cosmic mystery. So what is this planet hiding? Let's peel back the layers of Kepler-22b, hosted by deep space, powered by starlight. Launched in 2009, NASA's Kepler telescope began its watchful gaze. No spacecraft, no spaceship, just eyes on the stars, waiting for something to flicker. But why wait? Because when a planet crosses in front of its star, it dims the light. It's called the transit method, and it works with razor-sharp precision, like trying to spot a gnat flying across a car's headlight from 60 miles away. That's the level of precision required. And still Kepler delivered, again and again. Just a 0.01% dip in brightness, but it had to repeat 3 times. Only then could we say, yes, that's a planet. But Kepler-22b didn't act like the others. Its orbit, its tilt, its profile, all slightly off. It slipped through like a ghost. Yet still, somehow, Kepler caught it. This was no accident. Kepler-22b had shown itself. Every 290 days, its host star dimmed just slightly. Again and again, by exactly 0.01%, something with a definite shape was passing by. And after 3 events, that's when scientists said yes, this could be a planet. 2 research teams, 1 mission. They spent 2.5 years, combining telescopes on Earth and in space. They checked every variable, every anomaly. And then, in 2021, the announcement came. Kepler-22b was confirmed. Humanity had done it. For the first time ever, we confirmed a potentially habitable planet. Not just discovery, but the possibility of life. From that moment, the game changed. Kepler-22b lies 600 light-years away, a distant world, with strangely Earth-like qualities. Its orbit 290 days, nearly identical to ours. Its distance from its star, just right, 0.85 astronomical units. Locked in the sweet spot. If it has an atmosphere, temperatures could be perfect for liquid water, and for us, sounds almost too perfect. Is it just coincidence? Its size nearly identical to Earth. But here's where it gets strange. It's not gaseous. It's a rocky world. Terrestrial. Just like home. But somehow, it defies the models. It shouldn't exist like this. No system we know should allow this. So we tried comparing. It's like seeing a 7-foot-tall person with 0 muscle mass. Something's off. We can't even categorize it. And the deeper we look, the more perfect it seems. Unnaturally perfect. Still under scrutiny. Alone in the starfield, no other anomalies. Just this one. Dry. Quiet. Suspiciously quiet. Experts analyzed the light curve, and something felt fake. Too clean. Too regular. Like a simulation. It didn't feel natural. And that mystery is exactly why it's so fascinating. Its core still unknown. Could be rocky. Could be gaseous. Or something we've never imagined before. So what is it? Scientists proposed 4 shocking theories, each more unbelievable than the last. First theory, it's a giant rock. Just a massive chunk of solid planet. Stable, heavy, dense. Makes sense on paper. But in reality, think Venus. Covered in clouds, cooked by heat. If the atmosphere's too thin, it'll break down. Radiation hits, game over. And if it's too thick, well, it'll trap heat like a furnace. Perfect balance, nowhere in sight. The second theory, an ocean planet. Imagine a world drowned in liquid miles deep. No land, no mountains, no tectonics, no seasons. Microbes might exist, or it could be a sterile water graveyard. Life, maybe, but probably in its earliest form, or none at all. The third theory, it's a mirage, not a planet. Just noise. A statistical glitch. Maybe it's too close. Maybe it's in the wrong spot, or it formed somewhere else. Then wandered in, dragged in by gravity. But then how is it so perfectly aligned? Which leads us to the fourth, the wildest theory of all. It's artificial, crafted, designed, engineered. What if someone or something made it? But to evolve that precisely requires near godlike control. A cosmic blueprint, unmatched precision. Each model, each orbit, feels like a simulation pretending to be real. So, what's the truth? Did we model it wrong? Or did we misunderstand the entire universe? The first reaction, panic, doubt, disbelief. Because if this planet is fake, then everything we thought we knew might be wrong. One explanation remains. It started as a star, but something stripped it down. The Kepler-22 system unnaturally quiet. Too quiet. No traces, no history, just perfection. Which makes it weirder. What even is this place? It sits at the edge of what we understand and breaks the rules of how planets form. Nothing matches, nothing fits. Yet somehow, it has everything. The gravity, the orbit, the right temperature, the size, and the strangest part? It's neat. Too neat. Like it was built 2.4 times the size of Earth, but somehow balanced, even its orbit flawless, the year just right. Coincidence, or something else. If it has an atmosphere, then this planet might be the one. 1 in a billion. But we can't jump to conclusions. Even if it looks designed, doesn't mean it was. But we have to ask, is this planet hiding something? Or someone? No signals, no signs, just the mystery itself. And a question that won't go away. Is someone watching us or leaving us a message? Because if a planet looks